Histopathology of Candidiasis. Candidal organism can be seen microscopically in either on exfoliate cytologic preparation or in tissue sections obtained from biopsy specimen. The histopathological pattern of the oral candidiasis may vary slightly depending on the clinical form of the infection, but they share a few common features. The thickness of the parakeratin layer increase on the surface of the lesion along with elongation of the epithelial retipex at the same time. The chronic inflammatory cell infiltrate are present in the connective tissue immediately subjacent to the epithelium. Small collection of the microabscess are found in the parakeratin layer and superficial spinous cell layer. The candidal hyphae embedded in the parakeratin layer rarely penetrate into the viable cell layers of the epithelium unless the patient is immunocompromised. There are two types of staining methods. Periodic acid chef method, 10 to 20% KOH preparation. The candidal hyphae and yeast are readily identified on staining with the periodic acid chef method. Organisms are identified by the bright magenta color imparted by the stain. It basically stains the carbohydrates contained abundantly in the fungal cell wall. The hyphae are about 2 micrometer in diameter. It may show branching and vary in the length. Very often the hyphae are accompanied by variable number of yeast, squamous epithelial cells and inflammatory cells. We can diagnose the case of the candidiasis by the presence of hyphae or pseudohyphae, which are essentially elongated yeast cells. Another method is 10 to 20% KOH preparation, which is used to rapidly evaluate specimens for fungal organisms. The KOH lies the background epithelial cells, allowing the more resistant hyphae and yeast to be seen. But it has certain disadvantages to it. Lack of permanent record. Comparatively, there is difficulty in identifying the fungal organisms. Since it lyses the epithelial cell population, we cannot assess the nature of the epithelium with respect to others like epithelial dysplasia and pemphigus vulgaris.